button where both driver or passenger, in case of there's an emergency, so all you have to do is press the button, and that button will alert our customer service center 24/7. And then from there, it's prioritized, no? Kung may alert na emergency, that will be prioritized on the back end of our support. Then immediately, even the location is already GPS tagged, so you can detect wherever yung sasakyan nasaan. Yeah.
That's after the trip?
No, during. Real time. Real time.
Worry about like after the trip.
Okay. After the trip, no? Let's say, may naiwan kang phone, okay. Well, with current TNC, we have same system. Since ang driver, you have the profile of the drivers, and then we can immediately contact the driver or the concerned driver or passenger.
From the user to you guys, and then you're gonna contact the driver.
Yes.
Not directly.
Not directly.
We have a call center 24/7.
Sir, so yung support is calls, sorry for bothering, calls siya because for Uber and Grab, ano lang siya, email based.
Okay.
There's no
Our
ways to call, so meron pa.
Yeah. We have SMS, text, messaging, in-app, and even call.
How fast can they reply? Kasi again, based on my experience sa Grab and Uber, it takes fastest would be 12 hours for a turnaround.
No, if you have the voice line and the text messaging and via messaging, it can be less than a minute. There's a direct communication.
Less than a minute.
Yes.
In addition to the reporting, no, we have calls, emails, and chat apart from the SMS or texting. So, lahat yon pwede nyong i-communicate if you have concerns.
Ang issues kasi right now sa DNC is the driver's capability, well, nagawa nila ng paraan, but the driver's capability to cancel once they know the destination. For hike, will it be the same?
For hike, currently the driver can see the destination, okay? But we will be very strict on the cancellations. We will make sure that if the driver, or if proven that the driver canceled the trip because he sees the destination, we have some penalties to be imposed strictly. So we're looking at the maximum of 3 cancellations, and there will be suspensions depending on the gravity of the offense of the driver. But and then we will block those drivers with a lot of cancellations. So I think maximum of 3 cancellations will do.
Comment on how long? What period of time?
Well, if we block the driver, he can't use our app anymore.
For the ano naman, to protect the driver, for the passengers part naman, na is there a si Uber kasi 100 pesos per cancellation.
Right now, we don't have that cancellation fees yet, but we're looking at it already. But we're not gonna charge 100. We're looking at siguro 50 pesos. It's not gonna be imposed yet, but we're looking at it already. But we're looking at siguro 50 pesos kasi with Uber, the 100 pesos is charged to the passenger. Whether the cancellation is due to the passenger or due to the driver, as long as you canceled it, it will be charged to the passenger, right? We're looking at, to be fair naman, if the cancellation is made by the driver, then the fee should go to the passenger and vice versa. So, but it's not imposed yet again, so we're still studying that.
Okay. Where is hype now when it comes to the accreditation sa LTFRB? I'm not sure. So sa timeline, when will you be available in the market?
Well, our accreditation was given by LTFRB about a week ago, 7 days ago. Starting last Monday, we have started the acceptance of accreditation or registration by drivers and operators. That was but that is online, and that was starting Monday. So far, we have received a lot already. By May 19, the system will be downloadable by everybody, by the riding public. May 19. And by May 27, we will have our grand launch. And this will be held at the SMX. And immediately, the following day, we would already be in business, in operation.
Are you currently using it on beta right now?
Sorry.
Are you using beta right now? Beta? No, beta.
Beta.
Are some
We will be having our beta test. We're looking at siguro in a week or two. If you've provided your contact details, listed it down to our logbook, we have. But we can include you guys for in the beta test. Yeah, we will definitely have that beta test.
before everybody.
Well, payment options, we have cash, we have credit card, online, and we will also have credit card payment through POS. Because there are people who's afraid of, diba, putting their records online, their credit card details online.
POS machine na
So
sila.
it's better we thought of like putting a POS inside the vehicle, so you can just swipe your, and there will be QR code payments also soon.
Dami na.
You can also share with us the screening process of the drivers and the units.
Again, we will be very strict in the screening process. The